Hello, eh, my name is Gonzalo Snyder Moreno Puentes. I am 28 years old. I am from Villavicencio. I am Colombian. I live in Villavicencio. Eh, I live with my parents, my sister. I have two dogs. Their names is Loki and Cocky. I am studying engineering telecommunication in the UNAT University. I will talking about something that like me and dislike. I like playing soccer. I like practicing all the sports. I like to travel. I like learning about more topics. But I dislike reading books. I dislike painting. I dislike writing. As said before, I like to travel. I will talking about my last trip. I saw a beautiful landscape in Boyacá, more specifically in Ráquira, where manual works are observed. This area also has a very pleasant climate. The next trip will be in Cartagena with my family and this be able to enjoy well-deserved rest. Thank you. Bye.